Are you tired of endlessly scrolling through Whop campaigns to find the one you need? Learn how to filter by category in under 30 seconds. I'll show you exactly where to click on the dashboard to access the Discover page, then how to use the category filter to narrow down to gaming or any other category. Start by heading over to your Whop dashboard. Then, click on the Discover tab to explore available campaigns. Now, select Content Rewards from the options. Next, click on a category that interests you. For this example, go ahead and choose Gaming. And that's it. You're all set. Happy exploring! If you have any feedback, or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.